What's up, guys? Day 3 with the Toce exhaust on my R1. I didn't make any vlogs the first couple of days. I don't know why. Just probably just because I didn't want to talk. I wanted to listen to it. But this, oh my gosh, guys, this exhaust is insane. During work, during the day, all I want to do is just leave to go ride my bike just so I can hear the exhaust. It gives me a newfound love for my bike. Not to say I didn't love my bike before, but I mean, you guys know. You guys were the ones leaving the comments like, "Sick bike, but you gotta change that exhaust." And yeah, I had to agree with you on that one. But finally got around to it, and it just completely changes the bike. It's completely different. I mean, before, obviously, I could listen to the crossplane a lot easier because the exhaust made almost zero sound. But now it's just like, it's like a choir. There's such perfect harmony between the engine and the Toce that it's just music to my ears. Pure music. But I also did a... So let's just do a little recap of what happened this weekend. So I had the exhaust shipped to my work. So I don't know why. So I waited. I needed to pick up a pit bull stand. I was buying one off of a guy from Craigslist. So I had to wait for him to wake up, or not wake up, but get off of work. He worked like super early, so he got off in the like early afternoon. So I was waiting for him to get off work so I could go pick it up. So I went to work, picked up the exhaust, went over to, or rather, first thing I did, went over to Advanced Auto, pick up some supplies. I was planning on doing an oil change and cleaning and lubing the chain as well. So I was picking up supplies for all of that. Well, I already had all the chain supplies I already had, but for the oil change, I needed all that stuff, you know. Oil filter, oil tray, pan thing, or a drain pan. Hell yes! How do you like them apples? This reminds me of Fast and the Furious. Hopefully there's some Fast and the Furious fans in there. Out in the comments. I don't even... the exhaust just makes me drop everything and think about nothing else. I don't even know what I was saying. Oh yeah, drain... Oh, hello. Drain pan. So picked up that. I also needed a new socket wrench or ratchet because my other one broke. Picked up that. Later on in the install of the exhaust, realized that I needed a 17 millimeter socket, and I didn't have that, so I needed to go get that. But anyways, let's back this up. Went to Advanced Auto, went to my work to pick up the exhaust, went to the guy to pick up the pit bull stand. By the way, I got that thing for like 60 bucks, and it was just dirty. That was it. Other than that, it was perfect working condition. And came back and got started on the install. So this was on Saturday. Did the removal, did the install. And then on Sunday, I did an oil change and the cleaning and lubing the chain. Like, those things were desperately needed. I had put those things off too long. Of course, the Toce made a huge difference on the bike, but the oil change and cleaning and lubing up the chain, that made a huge difference as well. Maya was happy about that. Maya's a dirty girl. She wanted she likes it when she gets some of the lube. So I had the blazer. So yeah, got the exhaust all installed. It's the third day that I've been running it. It's Wednesday. I took it out for a little ride on Sunday, but that was just a quick ride because I had stuff that I was gonna do, so I didn't have that long to ride it. So this is really my third main day riding it, and I'm pretty sure my number of downshifts has increased like tenfold. Just to hear it. Oh, I love the sound of downshifting on this thing. My gas mileage usage is up just because I'm accelerating so much more. My fuel light came on at like 115, 120, and it usually comes on like 130 or so. Screw it. Oh, are you kidding me? You asshole! You're really gonna block me? Really? I just don't get it. First of all, you're not... I don't care if California is the only place where it's legal. Sometimes it warrants it in my eyes. But the point of the matter is, it's not your responsibility to take the law into your own hands and try to enforce it. First of all, I don't think she even knows whether it's legal or not. Two, I'm pretty sure she's just doing it because she's butthurt that I can move through traffic faster than she can. Ugh. Sounds so good. So sweet. See, that's why my gas mileage is lower, because I do things like that all the time now. And then coming to this stoplight, I start downshifting here. I love the backfire sound on it. Hi, Mr. Policeman. I hope you like my exhaust. Luckily, I don't live up in Virginia Beach, where Yummy is. Otherwise, this cop would probably give me a ticket for my exhaust. You know, for those of you that have been watching my channel, when I had my R6, you'll know that the first week I had it, I got a speeding ticket. And for those that remember the bike, the exhaust was ungodly. It was at least twice as loud as this. And so I got this speeding ticket. There was two cops, because I think one was in training or something. Or maybe they were just working together or something, I don't know. But they didn't even comment on the exhaust. Didn't even address it at all. They pretty much could have cared less. I got the speeding ticket, but they didn't even comment on the exhaust, so my guess is they don't really care how loud it is, which is kind of interesting because I had a Mustang GT that had straight pipes, and I got stopped for that, and it was loud, but it wasn't loud as the bike. But I got stopped for that and given a ticket because it was illegal, obviously, but he knew that it was illegal because he could hear it. So I don't know, I guess it's just who you get, but from a loudness standpoint, I don't think they really care. So that's about it. I just wanted to give you guys a quick vlog of these first experiences with the exhaust, and give you guys a little recap. See you guys in the next one. So let's walk through things. In order to comment, you have to have a Google Plus account. So this is an issue for me because I mean, I don't care. I've got a Google Plus account for my channel, but